Hi friends, this is introduction video for my video channel. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Anil Munjannawar, a certified welding inspector as per AWS and CSWIP. Also, I am a certified tank inspector as per API 653 as well as certified piping inspector as per API 570. I have over 35 years experience in quality control and inspection of pressure vessels, heat exchangers, storage tanks, cryogenic storage tanks, cross-country pipelines, process and power plants. I have worked worldwide with the pressure vessel manufacturers, tank and plant piping contractors, various third-party inspection agencies, as well as I have worked with the process plant owners. The aim of this video channel is to share my inspection working knowledge through my small videos. I'll try to keep my videos up to 10 minutes each, so it won't be much boring. And my videos are resourceful to beginners and intermediate QC personnel. I'll try to give you free notes, specifications, tailor-made QC procedures, method statements, WPS, non-destructive testing procedures, and various types of inspection reports on your request. I will try to cover all my work experience through these small videos. I will try to cover like basic of metals, maybe 2 or 3 videos. I'll try to cover 25, at least 25 important ASTM material specification. This will include main points of the specification, understanding of the specification, and how to refer to other related specifications as well. Also, I will cover comparison of ASTM standards with other international specifications also. Then our next topic will be on type of mechanical testing as per section 2 part A, that is SA 370. We'll try to cover all the mechanical testing. Then we'll try to cover all the non-destructive testing. Then we'll go to ASME section 9. In that, we'll cover all the interpretation of section 9, how to use that code, how to use the code, how to make WPS, how to make PQR, how to reduce number of PQRs, filter qualification tests, etc. Also, we'll cover welding inspection as per CSWIP and AWS. Then next topic will be our inspection of pipe and pipe fittings as per ASME B16 and API. Then inspection of pipe flanges, fasteners as per ASME B16.5 and various B18 code. Also, we'll try to cover inspection of valves, pumps, generators, etc. Then we'll go to plant piping as per ASME 31.1 as well as ASME B 31.3. After this plant piping inspection, we'll go to the in-service inspection of plant piping as per API 570. We will also cover inspection of pipelines as per ASME B 31.4. Inspection of pipeline is cross-country pipeline. We'll cover as per ASME B 31.4. Then we'll move to storage tanks. It is inspection of storage tanks as per API 650 and 652, as well as we'll cover in-service inspection of storage tank as per API 653. Then we'll move to inspection of structural like pipe racks, various types of towers, etc. as per AWS D1.1. Then inspection of pressure vessels as per ASME Section 8 Division 1. Will also cover inspection of offshore helipads and structurals. Also, you can request me if any other subject is required regarding inspection. I'll try to add the videos. Thank you very much.